Okay, hi guys. This is my new keyboard, which has a really shining backplate mirror. Looks really awesome. And this thing right here is the Attack Shark x86. So I already changed the switch and the keycap of the keyboard, but the stock keycaps and the stock switches are very good. The stab is come in prelude. Also the switches, the keycap is PBT double shot. I changed the switch and the keycap. Yep. And as you can see right here, this thing has a knob. And is made fully out of aluminum. Very beautiful RGB light. And this also has a hole to put in your USB dongle, which is super cool. And after changing the switch and the keycaps, this is how it sounds. Very stocky. And another thing that I want to share with you is for the stab right here, I have not touched it. I just only switching out the switch and the keycaps, and that's it. And this is the stab. As you can see, the stab has no ticking when it's come to my hand. And literally, I just changing the switch and it still sounds good. The stab, no ticking or anything. Just come right out of the box, which I really love it. This is a 75% keyboard that I super recommend you guys to buy. And I got this guy for under $60. Yes, under $60. And they come pre-built with already have switch and keycap, so you basically get it, plug it, and just typing.